Okay, so all of you had your piece of cake and you enjoyed it, right? So I'm going to sit down and have a piece of mine. Wait a second. Who took a bite out of my cake? Do any of you know what happened to my cake? Anne, you're the oldest. Do you know anything? Emma, Shirley, you must know who did something. Eliza, maybe you know something. Wait a second. Hattie, you've got cake all over your mouth. You took a bite of the cake? Yes, I know. It was so good. I know. Yes, you're not in any trouble. Okay.